So first of all, here's the PPBL 24 website, the live examples page. So it used to be just the module 100 example. Now we have examples for other modules. 202 and 203 are coming in the future, minting tokens, minting NFTs. That's going to be really exciting. And for each of them, there's just a placeholder here. Okay. And then for module 201, there's an example already, but I can't see it until I connect my wallet. By the way, the routes here, right? So live examples points to module 100, and that's the link that you'll see right here. But then the additional examples have a dedicated URL, so it's easy to share this link with people via, any forum or anything. So let's look at the 201 example. This is where we are introducing how to build transactions with Mesh for the first time. And the learning targets look like this. Let's navigate over to the course. Oh, I'm on the wrong. Oh, right. Okay. We'll talk about that later. But let's just look at the course this way. So module 201, build a front end. So what are people going to do? They're going to copy the PPBL 2024 app, which is this thing right here. So they're going to copy the source code for this website locally and run it on their computer. They're going to understand how the Cardano wallet component can be used and what are the prerequisites to using it in an application. So essentially just showing people these key points, right? We've got this component. It allows you to use the mesh hooks in a React project, and you need it, before all of that can work, you need to wrap your application in a mesh provider. These are exactly the points that are introduced in the Getting Started with Mesh guide. Okay, so we take people through that. Then we do the simple transaction and we do a validator interaction in 2013 and 2014. Okay. Then 2015 is just a note about deploying the application. We're going to show people that, hey, since this is a Next.js application, it's easy to deploy via Vercel, but of course, Vercel is not the only option. This is just giving people a way to take their ideas into prototype and public sharing. And so we figured that was worth including there. But the really juicy stuff is 2013, 2014, building transactions. And that's the examples you can see right here. 2013, here's a simple transaction. And 2014, a validator transaction. Each of them has buttons with some hard-coded values.